Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Wearing seatbelt, to avoid fine or save life? As we all know, not everyone is comfortable with wearing a car seatbelt, and it might not be the habit of many Filipinos because they tend to overlook how important it is. Simple as it may seem, this action can actually save your life in case of a car crash. Statistics recently has shown that around 80% of victims did not wear seatbelts at the time of car crashes. According to safety inspections, drivers can completely keep themselves safe from injury only when the car moves at a speed of 5 km per hour. When the car is running at 70 km per hour, based on the law of inertia force, the person sitting in car speeds as close to the speed of the vehicle itself. So, if there is a problem that causes the car to stop abruptly, passengers without seatbelts will be thrown forward with the same speed. Car seatbelts will help protecting you from this danger. Studies have also shown that, for a 70 kg driver who has front impact in accident, he would be affected by a force of about 3 tons. This figure will be up to 9 tons if the vehicle is running at 80 km per hour. In this case, should the owner ignore wearing the seatbelt, his survival chance is probably minimal. Many countries applying mandatory fastened seatbelts have gained positive results. At present, traffic safety laws of all countries require mandatory car seatbelt fastened when driving. You have to pay a fine up to PHP 5,000 for violating this regulation. Swiss statistics show that the number of fatalities in accidents has decreased 3 times after applying compulsory law for seatbelt. Just to give a quick refresher, this is what Republic Act it belongs to and what the actual law is. Keep this in mind. A small gesture can save lives and save you from future fines. Republic Act number 8750. An act requiring the mandatory compliance by motorists of private and public vehicles to use seatbelt devices, and requiring vehicle manufacturers to install seatbelt devices in all their manufactured vehicles. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.